Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Pisces placements. This is your general and love reading ngayong mid-March. Okay, and syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page. For more info, ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Okay? And yeah, pagdating sa ating second channel, so kita-kita tayo doon sa ating second channel na love letter. Oo, pwedeng mag-send ng mga love messages sa inyong special someone. Okay, lalo na yung mga binlock na kayo. Going way yung ating second channel para may express ninyo. Malay mo, 'di ba? Nandun pala siya. Eh di nasabi mo, 'di ba? Naipahayag mo, narinig niya. 'Di ba? Yeah, and syempre, yung atin pong mga items is available. O yung ating evil eye protection. So we have here the ring. This is adjustable ha, yung ring natin. Ring, ito yung isa nating bracelet. Ito yung garterize. Okay? Yung isa natin is yung adjustable. Yes. Okay. So, ito yung may initial. Available in red strings. Okay. So, yung isa naman natin na isa pang evil eye. Yung ating necklace. This is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and yeah, unisex. Okay. Yung atin namang about sa love. Oo. Ito yung aking may re-recommend kung ano man ang inyong sitwasyon pagdating sa love. Okay, single ka man, may mga ka-situationship ka man, o mga ganyan, anything about love. So, ito yung pwede kong may recommend sa'yo. Okay, and syempre, yung ating si Granter necklace. So, okay, diba? Himasin natin. Okay, so si Granter, tagapag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay, and tagapagbigay ng mga magagandang surprises. Yan, si Granter. This is non-tarnish. Okay, hypoallergenic. And this is 20 inches long yung chain po niya. Pwede namang gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. Okay, and syempre, yung ating pang cord cut. So, si cord cutting, pagkakat ng mga sitwasyon or energy na talagang nakakapit pa sa'yo na hindi naman kailangan na. Kaya nabigat o yung energy mo. So, umuulan na naman. Kumusta dyan sa inyo? Naulan ba dyan? Maulan dito sa Laguna. Oo, diba? Hi sa mga taga Laguna at sa mga, yes, iba pang karatig bayan. O, diba? Oo. So, Pisces, anong meron in general? Pisces placements, anong kailangan mong the Three of Swords. Are you, dumaranas ng heartbreak ngayon? Separation, whatsoever. So, Pisces, in general, there's pain. Oo. Anong meron? Anong meron para sa inyo mga Pisces? Energies. Let's see. The Nine of Swords. May nagbibigay ba ng stress sa'yo? Isipin, whatsoever. Diba? Ano tong Nine of Swords? The Moon. Hindi ka ba makatulog? Kamusta ka? Nine of Swords, the Moon. Iba sa inyo, nandyan yung hindi na makatulog kasi ang daming iniisip. Anong nasa isip mo? Anong nasa isip mo? Wala nang enough sleep yung iba dito, ha? Anong meron? The Fool. Something, hindi ko alam kung ito is sabihin nating may umalis or kailangang alisan. Yeah, the Star in reverse, you're not healed from that. This is talking about you have to heal. Kung ano man to, you need to heal. There's this surprise na pwedeng makapagbigay ng nervousness sa'yo. There's this surprise. Okay, napaparating. Five of Pentacles in reverse. The Knight of Pentacles. Pagdating sa kaperahan, sinasabihan ka na, watch your spending. Hindi ko malaman bakit. Maybe you're wasting money sa mga walang kapararakang bagay. No? Pero syempre, again, pera nyo naman yan. Pero sinasabi rito, watch your spending. Watch your spending. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Kung ano lang yung kailangan, kung ano lang yung dapat or importante. Okay. O siguro, may gagawin kayong pag-purchase na medyo hindi naman kailangan. Somebody is so cold and detached. Pwedeng Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Queen of Swords is here. You need to accept things. Kung bakit. Kung ikaw ay magchat-chat sa kanya, don't do it. Wala kang matatanggap na response. Okay? Ika-cut off ka lang yan. What else? Kunin ko to. Nine of Wands in reverse. Meron ditong parang pagod na pagod physically or mentally. Yeah. The Four of Cups in reverse. Yeah, pagod. Ten of Wands. Burden. May nagbibigay ng burden sa'yo. Somebody or something kailangan nang isurrender dito. Kasi nakaka-drain. Yeah, the Ace of Cups. This is the time for you to heal. Focus on yourself, self-love, self-care. Yeah, death is here. So, changes in general. Okay? You're not happy. Syempre, may nag-end dito. Muulan na naman. Nakakainis. O, diba? Seven of Pentacles. Some of you are waiting for something. So, yung paghihintay na yan, kung ano man yan, lalo na if this is talking about love or connection whatsoever, hindi ka makapag-focus sa mga dapat pag-focusan kasi yung energy mo is napupunta lang doon sa energy na hindi naman dapat. Nade-drain ka doon, nasasayang lang. So, walang kapararakang bagay. No, nasasayang yung energy mo. May paasa dito. May nagpapaasa. Huwag ka nang umasa kung ikaw yung umaasa, kung ano man. Cut them off. Okay? May naririnig ako dito na migrate. Okay, may magma-migrate. Waiting lang. Kung anong kailangan, di ko alam. Residency. Parang may ganun ako narinig. Anyway, so, there. So, yun ang akin nakikita sa'yo in general. Some of it naman is, specific. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa love. Ano bang meron for you, Pisces, when it comes to love? Love, love, love. For Pisces placements. Okay. Diba? Nawawala yung poses ko. Oh my. So, anong kailangan malaman ng mga Pisces? Sensya na ha sa aking boses. Pisces. King of Swords in reverse. There's this liar. What's with that? The High Priestess. Somebody is, sabihin nating, hiding something from you. Anong hinahide the Knight of Wands, yung pagiging player nila. Okay, meron dito nag-cheat. May nag-cheat. Yeah. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. Some of them, meron silang sabihin natin. Hindi ko alam, this is specific. When the Queen of Pentacles nag-appear na naka-reverse, this is talking about health. Okay, kung sino man to, pwedeng may sakit siya. Or pwedeng may nalaman ka about this person na may sakit siya. Yeah, may pag-cheat akong nakikita dito. Talaga nakapag-cheat pa, no? Oo. What else? Some of them, they're just stress. Kaya gumagawa ng mga ganyan. Pag-cheat whatsoever. Parang dinadagdagan pa nila yung drama sa buhay nila, no? Like that. What else? Ano pang kailangan mong malaman in love, mga Pisces? The Lovers Universe. Oh, meron bang separation, ending sa nangyari? Like recently? What's with this Lovers Universe? The Four of Swords in reverse. Hindi mo na raw kailangang isip-isipin to. Yeah, justice is in the reverse. So, some of you, may nangyaring infidelity, pwedeng may piniling iba, whatsoever. Yeah, kaya may nangyaring pag-walk away, no? What's with that Four of Swords in reverse? Yeah, the Hermit. Okay, hindi mo na kailangan hanapan pa ng dahilan. Okay? Kung bakit nangyari itong hiwalayan na to. Some of you kasi ikaw itong naghahanap pa rin ng dahilan or maybe closure or kasagutan kung bakit ito nangyari. Yes. So wag mo nang kaisipin. Wala rin namang maganda. Okay. So what else? Somebody kasi is hindi kontento. Okay? So, yun yung isa. What else for you, Pisces? King of Wands in reverse. The Two of Pentacles. So, who is this fire sign who is juggling you? There's this player. Ano ba yan? Ang dami namang player energy dito. The Knight of Cups in reverse. They're dealing with two people, I think. Somebody na on and off kayo or closed off or maybe in and out. Inconsistent. They're playing the field. Like, yeah, they're juggling. They're a juggler. The King of Wands in reverse. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. Strength. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. So, energy ng 3. So, meaning, wala talaga itong may bibigay sa'yo na sabihin nating direction or pathway kung ano man. Andyan yung kalabuan. Okay, the Chariot in reverse. Kaso nga lang, mahuhook ka dito Yeah, the Six of Pentacles in reverse. The Ace of Wands in reverse. Yes. Mahuhook ka dito sa taong to. Kasi they're good looking, some of them. They're good looking. Whether babae man, lalaki, kung ano man ang gender niya, they're good looking. So, yeah, some of them, they're good in bed. Yes. Okay, so, andyan yung, okay, hayaan ko na lang to, one-sided, okay lang, basta nandito ka. That's BS. Okay, so, tayo tumumuna sa person on your mind, Pisces. Yeah, Pisces, the person on your mind. Who is this person? Pisces. One more. Okay, who is this? The Nine of Pentacles could be an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. They're good looking, actually. This is the pre-empress mode. They're in the pre-empress mode. Some of them, they're, ang tawag dyan, non-committal. May pagka non-committal. They love being independent. Something like that. What's with the Nine of Pentacles? The Nine of Wands. They have trust issues. Yeah. Yeah, they have trust issues. Some of them, they're avoiding you. Tinataguan ka nito ngayon, or yeah, you're waiting for them, some of you. I don't know why. You're still attached, maybe. Anyway, so anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? Pisces. The Five of Pentacles. The Seven of Pentacles. Puro pentacles, puro earth sign to. So I think this person may pagka-practical. Yeah, alam niya kung sino yung didikitan niya. Okay, alam niya kung anong kulang. There's this expectations. Mataas yung standard nitong taong to. Okay, so kung hindi mo na-meet or hindi niya nakita yung mga ine-expect niya sa'yo, then yeah, some of them talagang aalis to. Okay? Kasi sabihin natin, andun yung energy, andun yung ego, nandun yung pride niya. Okay? Gusto niya something na pwedeng nakakita siya ng ang tawag dyan, clear agad, no? Mahalaga sa kanya, sabihin natin, pera din. Okay? Yeah. The Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles kasi focus rin yan is finances niya, stability niya, something like that. So, pwedeng nag-expect yung isa dito ng too much doon sa isa. What is their emotion right now for you, Pisces? What is their emotion? And the Nine of Cups. We have here angel number 999. Okay, what's with that Nine of Cups? The Ace of Cups. They love you, actually. They love you. Yeah, see the Two of Cups. Anong problem dito? Ikaw yung wish fulfillment ng taong to, sa totoo lang. Yun nga lang, they're too practical. Yeah. Kung ikaw yung wish fulfillment niya, nakakakuha kasi siya sa'yo ng happiness. They love you. Pero if there's this something na pwedeng hindi na checkan sa checklist niya, cross out ka na. Dapat perfect mo yun. Something like that. I don't know kung ikaw itong stable. Kung hindi ka ganun ka stable, then cross out yun. Yeah. Some of them, they're too materialistic. Yeah, they're too materialistic. They love material things. So, kung hindi mo na ipoprovide yon, then, case ka. Parang ganyan eh. Tingnan niyo angel number 999 when it comes to love. Another message from universe. So, pagtuon ng pansin ninyo kung anong meron doon, okay? So, what is their next action towards you? Pisces. What is their next action? Your person's next action? The Ace of Pentacles, universe. Yeah. And the Seven of Wands. Talagang iaalis niya to. Yeah, the King of Pentacles. Yes. Practicality. Practicality. Oo. So, Ace of Pentacles in reverse as their next action. So, kung hindi niya makikita ng stability or kung ano man, progress. The Seven of Wands is here in reverse. Okay, I'm quitting. I'm out. Parang ganun. Hindi niya to para pag-effortan. Matalino siya actually. Okay, hindi sila into their emotions. They're being logical. Okay, yeah, the Empress. See? Nag-flip. The Nine of Pentacles, that's pre-Empress. Empress. High standard. No, itong taong to. High standard. High maintenance. Kung hindi mo na may maintain, na may maintenance itong taong to, then, yeah, talagang lalayo. Let's see. Ano ba ang outcome / advice for you, Pisces? The Hangman. Okay, so this is you. Hangwoman in reverse. So, kung kailangan mong i-let go itong taong to, let go. Kasi lumilet go siya eh. Yeah, accept things. Just go with the flow kung anong meron. Okay, the Hangman. The Hangwoman. And the Seven of Cups in reverse. The Six of Cups. Huwag ka manghinayang. Some of you nangihinayang ka kaya ayaw mong bumitaw sa ganito. Still attached. Nangihinayang ka dito sa mga pinagsamahan nyo maybe. Okay? The Seven of Cups in reverse. And the Six of Cups. The Six of Wands in reverse. Page of Wands. Start new, start fresh. Yeah. Kung anong kailangan mong gawin sa buhay mo ngayon, do it. Progress, improvement. Do it. Hindi naman sinasabi na gawin mo yun para dito. Sa sarili mo lang siguro, syempre. Six of Cups. The Three of Wands in reverse. So, again, kung itong taong ito is practical, just be practical rin. Yeah. Hindi mo kailangang humabol dito. So, good thing or good decision kung hindi ka humahabol. Okay? Doon mo maipapakita yung worth mo. Your value. Hindi ka bababa. Okay? So, asahan mo, itong taong to, nandyan pa rin yung love. Okay? Nandyan pa rin yung concern. Hindi nawawala yon. Nawala dito is attraction. Yeah. Attraction. Nawala. Siguro hindi na-attract sa'yo kasi wala kang sigurong maipakita. Something. Di mo maibili yung gusto niya. Something like that. Practically, yung tao. Okay? So, kung mayroon ka mga kailangan i-develop pagdating sa sarili mo to improve, to have progress, do it. Okay? Yun lamang. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Pisces. Let's see. Pisces placements. Aries through Pisces. What's for you? The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with? Aries. They're bitter. They're upset. Taurus. Sarado yung utak ni Taurus ngayon. I don't know why. Gemini. You have this codependency with this Gemini. Cancer. They felt like, sabihin natin, a missed opportunity. They want closure. They want to communicate. Parang feeling niya, hindi pa kayo tapos. Ayokong matapos tong amin. Like that. Leo, you're their wish fulfillment. They like you. They really, really like you a lot. Virgo, they're moving on. Libra, don't do any effort. Don't exert any effort for this Libra. Okay. Scorpio, they're freeing themselves. They're freeing themselves from this. Ayaw nila ng stress, or maybe ikaw dapat yon. Sagittarius, they're feeling incomplete. Hindi sila kontento sa ngayon. They're unhappy. Capricorn, their back is turned. They're not available. They're not feeling hopeful, no? Pagdating dito sa connection na to. Ba't ako nabubulol? Aqua, too much judgment. Okay? Too much. Cloudy judgment. Pisces, so there's this unfinished business. Yeah. So, kailangang i-heal. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!